me mouth! Morning. Well, with wind gusts over 50 miles an hour, making a wind chill of over -10. Thought it was a perfect day to go for a long run on the beach. I'm going to get sandblasted because I'm wearing, got my shorts on. It's not so bad here because the sand's a bit wet, but further down I'm going to get sandblasted. Won't be talking much this video. Having fun though. I'd normally be running through the water, but I've got 2 jackets on. I normally overheat with 1 jacket. I'm wearing 2 and I'm not overheating. So I'm trying to keep my feet dry. This is getting tricky. See if I can get over here. Oh. Just about. The tide's starting to come in now, so I'm either going to have to get wet feet on the way back, over on concrete at times. But yeah, be a while yet, but it sneaks up behind you down here. My whole legs are getting sandblasted. On my face! Right in my mouth! Gotta find a way to pass through to keep my feet dry. I really want to get these shoes wet. Normally I've gone in the sea, but probably a bit cold even for me, isn't it? I don't want to wear these trainers. I like these. About 40 miles in. Well, the tide's completely come in anyway, but I've got the wind behind me, so just cruising on the way back. Nice and easy to make it 20 miles. And I finally Got too hot because the wind's behind me, wearing 2 jackets. I'm a little warm than what on now, but I'm going to keep this on. I'm not going fast anyway, just chilling. Over in places, but I'm barely starting early because of all this concrete. Stopping at 19, not 20. What the stopping a little slower is easy, but all this concrete. Thought I was going to do all the beach, but I didn't want to turn around. So that's been a good one. Like it, like and subscribe and all that. I'll see you next time.